Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Pixel 6. And this case is made by doeboe. I think that's how you pronounce the name. Hopefully it's right. If it's wrong, please forgive me. TPU case. Let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what it's all about. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the doeboe case for the Google Pixel 6. It's a Tough Armor. They call it the Tough Armor sleeve cover. Pixel 6, shockproof, slim, TPU, wireless charging supported. All right, this is the black one. You can get a blue one as well. Kind of a navy blue there. $9.99 on Prime, so less than 10 bucks. Here's a few pictures of the device here. Got camera protection. The glass on the camera will be protected as well. So that's pretty cool. And special shock absorption. I guess on the inside you got a pattern there. It does support wireless charging. Soft TPU material. Okay, grind ornaceous feeling. That's pretty interesting. All right, now let's go ahead and put this, take this case out of the box and see what it's all about. Okay, so you got a pretty simple wrapper here. Nothing much on there. These inexpensive cases usually have this kind of wrapper right here. So pretty friendly, eco-friendly, I guess. Let's pull this out. Just take out the insert there. Put this to the side. Now, this case got some nice detail for under 10 bucks. You got a shiny area around here. I like that. And you got the opening for the charging port and your speakers. Same theme continues around there. You got really grippy back right here. These deep ridges. And you got a little bit of detail on the top and bottom of the camera, and your camera is covered right there. So that's going to be well protected. You got your volume down rocker and your power button right there. You got pattern. You got a texture on the power button to differentiate it from, well, actually they're both the same. Let's see. And I think they both have a similar grip, same grip, but it's grippy. All right, nothing on this side. It's all clean. Pattern inside right there. But this is a nice protective case for $10 to protect your pickle if you want something inexpensive, especially if you don't like to use cases. All right. And I think I can see this comes up over the lip, so that's going to be protected. Let's go ahead and get the device, put it inside, and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the Pixel 6. Let's get it put inside the case. Nice, tight, snug fit right there. All right. And you got great grip on this case right here, so you're not going to drop this. All right. You can see all that grip on the back right there, on the sides. You got the shiny area right there. That looks pretty good, and it fits the phone really nice. Camera well protected. You can see that. No problem with the camera, and no branding on the back other than so that looks good. Everything lines up on the bottom. You see that right there. It all lines up. And you got the mic hole up top. It lines up well, no problem. Okay. So nice case right here. See the lip that comes around? It's a little bit higher than the other case I looked at. A little bit, but it's not too bad. I've seen worse. Right, but this fits the phone nicely. Nice snug fit, and you're gonna get some good protection. Okay, now let's go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. I'm gonna put this on. So pick up wireless charge, no problem. Let me take this off. Stand it up. Let's see what happens when we stand it up. So picked up wireless charge there. Okay, let's see what happens when we lay it down. Picked up wireless charge there, no problem. So wireless charging works well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Tough Armor sleeve cover for the Pixel 6. It's made by doeboe. All right, haven't heard of them before, but it's a decent case for the price. I would recommend it if you're looking for something inexpensive to put on your Pixel. All right. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.